So I start with regular old dry kibble, and I've added some hot water to it and let it set for a long time to get it really, really soft. And then I usually use Espalac to add to it, at least for the first couple of meals, just to kind of transition them from the mother's milk to the regular dog food gruel. Now it's just kind of a real soft gruel. I've used a potato masher to make it really, really soft and really mushy. I'll probably add a little bit more water to it so that they're more or less lapping up a liquid rather than trying to eat the food, because they don't have any kind of experience with anything other than mother's milk. This is what we're going to feed them. It's probably way more than they could ever eat, but Mom will finish it up as soon as we give puppies a few chances to nibble on it. So let's see what they do. So these sleepy little puppies will be 4 weeks old tomorrow, and we're going to wake them up in just a second to see if they would be interested in having their very first meal. Well, guys, you want to have something to eat? You ready to get up and move around a little bit? Let me show you where the food is. That's called food. None of you know what to do with it, do you? Let's get a couple more over here. You're going to have to feed you. Oh. That's usually the first thing that happens, is they want to walk in it. What does it feel like? Oh, somebody's interested. Very good, guys. Very good. Ooh, yummy, huh? They run? Very yummy. Now, lucky for me, Mom will probably come in here, finish the food, and then clean the puppies up. If Mom doesn't, that'll be my job. But Rosie's the mom, and she so far has been a very good mom, so I'm hoping she will clean them up. They're still not real steady on their feet yet, and so it's a little bit hard for them. But once they start eating regular food, they're going to get stronger and stronger. You all get in there and have something to eat. Looks like one of them has decided to sleep in it. I think that's the little girl. All right, I'm going to go see if I can find Mama and bring her in and see what she does. I know she'll probably eat the food, so I want to give them as much of a chance as possible before she comes in. But they're doing very well. Definitely decided it's a tasty treat. And by 4 weeks, they're about ready to try something new. Ah, you found them. I had a feeling you'd probably want to check out what the puppies have been eating. Looks like we have a couple over there that are already tired and ready to go back to bed. Of course, there's always one that would prefer to go to the milk bar rather than try to eat the real food. Poor Mama, she's trying so hard to eat all that food, and now she's got a bunch of them looking for milk. We do have water over here, guys, if you want to try water for the first time, if you're thirsty. What a mess, you guys. What a mess. it looks like that big meal tired them all out. Good night, puppies. Sweet dreams.